Shalom Akim, Shalom to the elect. First and foremost, Ka Halayim La Yahweh Ba Hashmal Shai Ba Hashem Ha Rekwak Dash. Double honors to my prosper Muslim, to man the teacher and to man the rule. Shalom. Come on, Shalom. So this breakdown is going to come from Yakishaya, pretty much on endurance, you know. So being Ecclesiasticus 2 verse 5, it says, "For as gold trying to fire and accessible men in front of adversity, for gold trying to fire and accessible men in front of adversity." So many, you know, come to the truth, be prepared to catch lots of L's, you know. Be prepared to catch lots of hell. I mean, you know. The truth's all about endurance and seeing how much one can endure to the very end, you know. So this will be the word endurance in the etymology. That's what it means in the etymology. So it means endure, invest with some gift, quality, or power, lead, drive, intent. Direct from the word to lead. And the word endurance also means to suffer something difficult, something painful, and something difficult. Patiently, you know. So meaning have patience while you go through what we go through, you know. There's no sense scripture that we endure all things for elect's sake, and the sake of the elect. We endure all things. So this will be 1 Peter's 1 verse 7. It says, "The trial of your faith being much more precious than gold that perisheth, though it be tried with fire, may be found praise and honor and glory and appearance of Yahushua Mashiach." You know, so meaning that what we endure, if we are able to endure until the end, Most High Yahushua will be happy with us. You know, he'll say, "Well done, thy good and faithful servant." You know, where you see that's you enduring until the very end. You know. Slovakia, like it says in 2 Timothy 2 verse 3. You see that right there has bring your faith much more higher, you know. Has to boost your faith that much more to endure all things, you know. Because this truth, if you think about it, man, it brings tears to your eyes sometimes, you know. I said 2 Timothy 2 verse 3. 2 Timothy 2 verse 3. It says, "Therefore, endure hard as a good soldier, and work hard, and endure means to be patient, and endure something painful or difficult, you know. But same time with a smiling face, you know." It says in Matthew 24 verse 13. It says it says, "But he that endureth to the end, the same shall be saved." So it means to endure the wickedness and the darkness in high places, spiritual wickedness in high places, the darkness which we cannot see, the spirits in which you cannot see, and to endure all things for the elect's sake, you know, as Paul said, we endure all things for the elect's sake, you know. That's what I come Shalom, come Shalom, the fall bone, who's really satisfying unto the elect, you know, because everything I do is for the elect, you know. That's what I come Shalom, come Shalom, death to America, death to score white man, death to this nation Israel. Shalom, come Shalom.